Everything. Look at Kaspa. We're keeping an eye on this. A lot of us have been in this for quite a while here. This move here over in Discord, we entered right about 12.5. Let's see here. Right somewhere through this area right here. Okay, you can see this thing ran straight up. Let's go on a 4 hour and let me show you something. Kind of made you almost sick right here, right before this big break. We entered here, right? Ran way up here. I know one guy over in Discord was up almost $1,000, all right? And look at this pullback. This was it's enough to make you definitely nervous, right? From here down to our bottom, 15%. That's the only 15%. Let's measure this up to the top. 18%. Well, let me tell you something. I almost took all the profits back. You enter at 12.5, right down here somewhere. All right, this thing pulled back the whole way down here. Then we finally got the bounce, and we have broken out of this wedge. All right, now you can see Kaspa looks like it might be pulling down here to retest this line again. If you zoom in here on an hourly, you can see a 5-wave pattern starting that started in here. Well, I'm not 100% sure. Oh, that's good. That's what we want to see. XRP. Just gotten an XRP long. That thing looks like it's heading up to about $1.43, I believe. Right over here, I'll show you. Look at this. Almost ready to break out of this wedge. We entered right down here. Let's see this red candle. All right, our entry was right down here somewhere. Looks like maybe perfect timing. All right, this wedge is just about ready to break out of here. Come over and sign up for level 3 membership and join us, guys. This trade right here would have paid for your membership probably 100 times. This one here is going to be a pretty decent one. All right, yeah, starting to break structure now. There it goes. So you're going to have a in here, you're going to have a 1, 2. This is a wave 3. We'll see how high it goes. 3, 4, 5. Just the first set of waves up, but the potential target for XRP is up here. All right, up at $1.40. $1.41 to $1.46, somewhere right up there. If you put a Fibonacci on here, the 1618 is at right about $1.43. Okay, right up here. But that's a 5th wave. This thing's working on a 5th wave. XRP is looking good. Didn't mean to go off over there. Let's check the crypto bubbles out. And the level 3 membership, you get over 10 hours of videos, over 20 videos to teach you how to start trading. And we have over 200 members over in Discord, so we would love to have you. We got some really, really great traders over there. Really good guys. They're there every single day putting up trades. I go over there and post a few and look at theirs, and we all share them, and we do very, very well. Made a lot of money a few days ago trading longs, but I know it's Sunday, but there's still people over there getting in that XRP trade today. And Kaspa. Kaspa looks like it's going to do a retest here of this trend line, possibly, or it's taken off now. All right, you could have a potential 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5th wave back down here. All right, then looking for after the 5th wave down, then looking for the bounce. Boom. See you later. Bounce up out of here. Now this 5th wave could end up coming down. We zoom in a little bit tighter now. You can see these waves a little bit better. But what is making me think a couple things here? It could be an ABC also. All right, take a measurement. There you go. 702 right up here on the head. Pull it down. You potentially have a bottom about $1.40, almost $1.47 it looks like. So you could get one more push down here for Kaspa, and then it should be heading to the upside. The 30-minute RSI, it's at the bottom. The 4 hour is actually bearish, rolling over. All right, let's get that off there. The 8 hour is actually bearish also, 86 and a 93. Sorry about that. Let's get that out of there. The 12 hour. 12 hours heading up. Alright, so it is bullish. You got your daily still heading up, 79 to 77. Looks good. And your weekly. Weekly looks very good. And the monthly. Monthly is just turning to the upside. It's an 8 and a 13. You can see this line heading straight up. It's about to cross. This closes tonight, pretty soon actually. All right, that's well, not the monthly. I'm sorry, I was thinking of the weekly there. You can see this huge green monthly candle so far for the month. This candle has run up. I don't know where the wick's at. 33%. All right, I'm sure there's wicks on that thing, but I have trend lines in there. Now, if we zoom back in here on Kaspa and look at this wedge and this pattern that's forming, very, very clear 5-wave. 1, 2, 3. I love Elliott waves. Absolutely love them. I look for them when I'm trading the 1-minute chart. I put out a video the other day trading Bitcoin on the 1-minute chart live. I just entered a trade and I doubled my money on that trade. I showed the whole video. I don't know, it's 10 minutes long or something, but I showed you how I placed the trade, how I moved my stop loss, and how I took profits on it. So there's a link in the description of the video for a site that I traded on at no VPN, no KYC. I'd appreciate it if you use the link, if you go over there and sign up. And if you sign up for the membership, make sure you sign up for the site and the description of the video too, because price targets are very, very important, and all charts are different. You have different wicks. This is on gate. If I pull MEXC up, you'll have all kinds of crazy wicks everywhere. You know, they like to shake you out, wick you out, get your stop loss, and they're all different. Most of these you know, have leverage sites on their sites there, so that's why it's crazy. Market makers, you know, they know where your stop losses are half the time, I swear to God. The 1618 is up at 18.6, and that would be the 5th wave up out of here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that would potentially be a target area up here. We're going to put a box up here. That's what we're looking for over there on Discord, is right up in here. All right, now what kind of percentage would that be? Well, down where we got in here, down 12.5, we'll go from roughly 12.6. all right, you're looking, that's a 40% move. All right, so if you have a 10x, if you take a 10x on it, you will 4x your money. On a 20x, you're going to 8x your money. You know, on a 30x, you would 16x your money. So it can get pretty crazy. I always use, this isn't smart, I always use 20x. I like 20x leverage. You know, but it can get tricky too. You got to make sure you have very, very good entries, because you can lose a lot of money. The higher leverage you go, the better entry you better have. You know, you want to be dead on with your entries, or very, very close, because if it drops just a little bit, you know, that could be a lot of money. I lost $500 on a trade a couple of years ago, you know, when I was really starting to make a profit, like leverage trading, but I didn't hit that target right, and I was taking like 50x leverage or something at the time, and it was crazy. It just moved down like, you know, that much, and it took like $300, and then just a little bit more, and it totally liquidated me, and I learned my lesson, believe me, with that. But now, back on this 1 hour, you know, we will see if this thing finishes up this ABC target, or if it just takes off from here. All right, and like I said, that 1 hour RSI is just turning the upside, 23 and a 21. But Kaspa is looking good, guys. Absolutely looking strong over on Bitcoin dominance. We talk about this all the time. Look at the weekly RSI moving to the downside. Wait till I show you the monthly. For the first time in a very, very long time, this thing is flipped bearish. So as soon as it loads up here, I apologize. I'll click over here in 1 second. Yeah, well, anyway, the monthly RSI has flipped bearish on this thing. There we go. 98.75, and a 99.42. So your orange number is bigger than your blue. That is bearish. And this thing still has not broke support yet. So that's what we're watching for with Bitcoin dominance. And then we're watching then these altcoins that will really start taking off. I mean, the target for this thing is down in the 20-some percentile. That is a drop in Bitcoin dominance over 50%, right? So keep an eye on this, and Kaspa is looking fine. Have a great day, everybody. I will talk to you very soon, and go sign up for that Discord. I think you'll love it. Have a great day.